first thing you want to do is find the groove on your, this is actually a part of your inner tie rod. You want to find the groove right here that you can bite onto with a nice pair, or a nice adjustable wrench like I got right here. And what we're trying to do is we're going to break it loose from inside the inner tie rod, so that way we don't move this nut, so that way the wheel alignment won't be affected, if all, and if it is, it'll be very minimal. Of course, highly recommend that after doing anything suspension related, you do get a wheel alignment. This is just a good way to do it so you can get to a shop to have your vehicle aligned after doing these repairs. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and bite on there. And we are on the driver's side, so we're going to need to rotate downwards. And there it is, broke loose already. See how this whole thing, this whole shaft is spinning as one piece? That's exactly what we want. Go ahead and turn it a few more times, just to make sure we've got it nice and loose. And now we're going to go ahead and take off this, this actually looks pretty new. Take off this cotter pin, which I probably shouldn't have been able to do with my bare hands, but anyway, when you're a mechanic for a long time, you develop freak-like strength in your fingertips, apparently. Right. Break that loose. Use the same tool because I'm too lazy to get up and get our socket. Right. And go ahead and remove your castle nut and put it aside. And pretty much the only other tool you're going to need is a big hammer. Now what you want to do is right here on the edge piece is where you want to hit it. You don't hit like this. You want to hit right here. And you see how that just bounced right up right there? Exactly what you're looking for. And now that we loosened that before we took it apart, we're able to take this off by hand. And then we can just screw the new one on right up to that nut that we didn't move, so the alignment should be just fine. At least good enough to get you to a shop where it can be properly aligned. Alright. Go ahead and put your casting rod on. Spin that down. And always replace your cotter pin. Never reuse a cotter pin. It's very, very dangerous. You do not want to be in that kind of situation. And these do not need to go down too tight. Let me remeasure this real quick. There we go. Just about that. Now just go a little bit more just to line it up. Alright, and after you got that all secured, go ahead and remeasure this. And go ahead and tighten it down just good enough so it doesn't come loose while you're driving down the road. And that's it. You're good to go. This is going to rotate when you tighten that up. Rotate it, or tighten it past this rotation. As you can see right there, you need to rotate it past that, or else you're not going to lock it. But make sure you do that right. Other than that, that's pretty much it. That's how you replace an outer tie rod. I hope this helps.